Formulas can help you calculate values in variables of the number and date types. This way, you can automatically determine the next event date, measure the time span between dates, or process numeric values. Drag the action element right after the relevant element and select Other, Change Contact Variable. This action overwrites your selected variable only within your current flow and email mailing lists. The original variables keep their values. In the variable field, choose a variable of the number or date type. Formulas support variables of the number and date types. They do not process arrays or text values in string variables. However, if a string variable contains a number, you can still apply formulas to it. When you use formulas, the system validates them using the following rules. Variable types must match the expected format. Numbers cannot exceed 10,000s. Division by zero is not allowed. Text values and syntax errors are not permitted. Date variables support addition and subtraction. Formulas always calculate the difference in full days. This helps measure time between dates, such as the number of days since a purchase or until a subscription expires. As an example, you can use purchase day plus 3, where purchase day is the purchase date. Here, the customer has 3 days to claim a discount on their next order. On the last day of the offer, you can schedule extra marketing activities using the updated date variable. You can also add the current date system variable, which returns the current date. Number variables support addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. For example, to apply a 20% discount, use the following formula: price minus price multiplied by 0.2. If a variable with the same name exists in both an event and a mailing list, the event variable takes priority. Similarly, custom variables have priority over system variables.